Welcome to the first week of our blended and accelerated general psychology course. As I told you in the last video, our first class meeting isn't until January 16th, Thursday evening, but unofficially the course is starting today. Your first assignment needs to be completed by Monday night, and so that's why I wanted to make sure I gave you a little bit of lead time. I've opened up on the announcements page here for our course, and each week I will be posting the announcements that summarizes everything that you need to complete for the week. And now I've pulled up this syllabus because you can also see everything that needs to be completed for the week by looking at your syllabus. You can see this is on page 5, week 1. It lists weekly learning outcomes so you know what we'll be covering. The assigned reading that you should be skimming, this is what our quiz will cover, this reading right here. And then you are also expected to review the videos. The videos will be used to stimulate in-class discussion, online discussion, as well as potentially some of the wiki responses that you'll be posting. So this week you have your reading, you have several videos to review, the preparation check, that's basically a 20-question multiple choice quiz that you complete online prior to class. There's an online discussion board and then 2 short wikis. Now let me move over to Blackboard to show you where you can find these things. All right, each week you'll go over to weekly tasks and click on our designated week, week 1. Open that up and you can see it's laid out. Now I don't know what happened to item 1.1, but these are all of the tasks that you need to do for the week. Review the videos, click on that. You will see the Milgram video, we'll use that for in-class discussion. Bystander intervention, there are 2 short clips, and this will be used for the online discussion board. The Jane Elliott experiment, you'll use this for the online wiki. And then correlation and causation, this video right here, I think is really worthwhile. This is a point of information that students often have difficulty with, so you'll watch this video and then we'll talk about these concepts in class. All right, now in addition to reviewing the videos, there are of course several other tasks that you need to do. The first is to engage in online discussion with your group of the bystander intervention videos. You can see here that your first post needs to be up by Monday night, and then the remainder of your contributions should be done by the morning of our class, Thursday. So that gives me time to review them, to grade them, and give you feedback prior to class. There are instructions on how to access the group discussion right here, and I talked about it in the course orientation video. But remember, you're going to hit groups to do your online discussion. Now, in addition to the online discussion that you'll be involved in throughout the week, you should also be making at least one contribution to both of the wiki pages. The first one is related to the Jane Elliott video. The other one requires that you generate examples of some of the social psychological concepts. And I've provided examples, you will each provide examples, and this way hopefully you'll be able to better understand some of these concepts that often students find a little bit challenging. And throughout the week I'll provide some corrections and some feedback so you know if you're on the right track. To get to the wiki, of course, you'll click on this, and then you'll click on Class Wiki. This will hold all of the wikis for all of the course. And for some reason it is starting on week 2, so I need to move over and click on week 1, the Jane Elliott video. You can see for this one I've asked you to just post at least one quote or some kind of observation you made in the video, and also be sure to provide your name. So that really shouldn't take you very long, and we'll use this as fodder for our discussion in class. The other thing that you need to do, week 1, social psych concepts, is to provide those examples. And you can see that I have provided examples for each of these concepts. I'm asking you to choose 4 of all of the concepts on here to provide your examples. And again, I'll provide feedback throughout the week. All right, I've gone back to our weekly tasks. Next thing that you are expected to do is the 20 multiple choice question preparation check. You do have 90 minutes, so this is open book and open note. You're allowed only one chance to do the quiz though, so make sure that you are prepared prior to opening it. If you do have some kind of technical problem that prevents you from successfully submitting the quiz, the Blackboard will allow you to take it again. But once you have submitted the quiz, that's it, no more attempts. All right, the final thing that you need to do this week is to become a little bit more familiar with the project that we'll be doing this semester. Project essentially involves a paper and then a presentation that you will be doing during week 5. If you open this up, it has a little bit more information. Essentially, the information mimics what is in your textbook. The goal is that you're going to be doing a paper and presentation on some topic that intersects mental health and healthcare. Now, you will review the topic options that are available in the syllabus. They're also available right here, and choose one. If you don't see a topic on here that you are interested in and you have one in mind, absolutely you can email me and just get approval for that topic. Once you have decided on your topic, then you will actually need to indicate on one of the wikis, this mental health paper topics, write on the wiki what the topic is that you have selected. And this way we can all see what topics are being chosen. Each topic can be covered by one and only one person. So if you know what you want to do, absolutely write up on the wiki page right away which topic you select. If people have not decided by week 3, I will go ahead and assign topics to people. So be sure to choose what you would like to do. If you have any additional questions on what's expected of you, you can go to the class discussion board and post a question right here. If you have a question that you don't think anybody else would benefit from and you need to just check with me privately, then email me. But otherwise, please do use this class discussion. I'm really looking forward to meeting everyone on Thursday, and certainly I look forward to reading your contributions online.